lovelies. It is Tuesday and I am on my way now to make some deliveries. You all saw my little mini morning routine. That is something that I do on most mornings except on weekends. But you also the drink that I have every other week, because I said in my video, because I posted that video already, the fat burning drink that works for me. I mentioned that everything in moderation, okay? So you don't drink it every single day. What I do is 1 week in, 1 week out. So yeah, that is what I have. If it is you all don't know what I'm talking about, you can check out that video on my fat burning drink. So I'm heading into Shaguanas now. I have some deliveries to do. And then after, I wanted to go into dwellings to get some ideas for my plant pots. And then I have to come home and make lunch. So let me just head into Shaguanas now because I'm running a bit late. Change of plans. I am no longer going to dwellings. See why I just can't vlog every day, because my plans is just switch up. I am now going to St. Madeleine. I'm going to the CPEP head office, and it's not for me, okay? It is to carry someone to get their insurance form stamped. So first time I'm going to be going in St. Madeleine, so I'm kind of excited to go for the drive. So I'm gonna make an iced coffee to go. 1 cup of, well, not really 1 cup, but almost 1 cup of coffee, some milk, some sugar, and most of it, whoops, some ice. Ready. So I'm leaving CPEP now, and honestly it took us like literally half an hour from Shaguanas to here, which for me I find is amazing because here used to be extremely far, but the scenery here is so nice. Stop by the Chase Village Highway plant shop that is off the highway. I always wanted to come here and get some succulents because I'm into like plants and stuff since my Christmas vlog you all saw. So yeah, they have some cute little stuff here. I didn't get what I came for. I want the twisted money tree. It's twisted by the roots and it's hard to find. I'm not getting that anywhere. Okay, so I am home and it is dinner time, and I've decided to make probably like a chow mein or something because I have all these vegetables in my fridge, and look, the sweet peppers kind of like going stale, so I just wanted to use up what it is I have. So yeah, chow mein it is. Just a little heads up, I hate to cut carrots like this. Seriously, it's a big task for me. This is why sometimes I would just choose a pack of frozen vegetables over fresh, but nothing beats fresh veggies, right? So I guess I just gotta go. I got my veggies. I like lots of cabbage in my vegetables. Okay, so I forgot to mention 2 grains of garlic. Look at the size of this garlic grain. I love big garlic grain. And also a piece of ginger. I remember when I was small, I never liked ginger at all. Now I love ginger in almost everything. But what I do is I buy ginger, like when I get it cheap, I would buy it, peel it, and put it in the freezer. So this is actually frozen. My big garlic grain. And my ginger. Guys, so let me show you all what dinner is, alright? This is dinner. Alright, so this is dinner here. Alright, this is presently what your girl binge watching on, and personally I find it kind of slow. It's not boring, I just find like it kind of slow, you know? It's like, get to the point now, what is really going on? But anyways, I have to watch something while I am eating. Like I said, this is dinner, just a little whole wheat bread and my vegetables. And usually I would eat this with rice too, but to be honest, like on days when I'm not feeling to eat meat, which is like plenty days, I just put together my chow mein. I call it chow mein, but it's vegetables because it has no noodles in there. And yeah, I'll eat it with like bread, or sometimes I'll eat it with rice, whatever. Sometimes I'll eat it with cricks. So guys, so that was it. You all see I didn't get to go dwellings today. Plans change all the time, but yes, in Madeleine, not that far as I thought. And yeah, I think I might just mop out the place after. It's a little dusty. So guys, that's it for today. I hope everyone is staying safe. I know I have some shout outs to do, it's just I can't get it right now. I will do it in my next video. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if it is you like what you see, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every single time I post a video. Also too, I'm trying to be very consistent, so I'm gonna be posting twice a week. On Mondays would be a vlog. I'm thinking if it's Sunday or Monday, but so far I have to check and see which one is working out better for me. Either Sunday or Monday I'll be posting a vlog, and on Tuesdays like a lifestyle video, like a hair care, skincare, or highlighting a food place that I think you all might like. So if it is you all know of a food place that you think would be interested in having their business featured on my channel, just feel free to send me a message, let me know so I can send them a message and we can work something out. So guys, stay safe again. I hope everyone is doing good, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.